Welcome friends. In this video tutorial we will study about various types of list. We can also create list in HTML. There are various types of list like order list, unordered list and data definition list. So we will utilize this list in this program. So let's see first unordered list. Every list contains li tag. So for creating list we need a li tag, and for order list, unordered list and data definition list upper level tag is ol, ul or dd. So let's see first unordered list. To create unordered list ul tag is used. So first write ul tag and complete ul tag. In between ul tag we have to write li for list item. Now in unordered list we can give special list marks like a circle, disc and square. These marks are used in list. For example, if you want to give the list by circle, then we have to pass here type is equal to in double quotation circle. Now let's add item into the list. We are adding Java. We must have to complete list item. We are adding one more list item in our list. We are completing list item tag. We are going to run. We can see the output is displayed by circle. So by this way we can utilize this list. Now let's change this by square or disc and see what is the effect. We are changing this by square. Save it. We can see the list mark is changed by square. So this way we can utilize this list. Now we are going to see another list, which is order list. Order list can be created using OL tag, means order list. This is the abbreviation of order list. Now what is the difference between OL and UL? When there is no order in the list, then unordered list is used, and when we want to give order like 1 2 3 4 or A B C or Roman alphabet 1 2 3, then we can use order list. So we want to give type is equal to A. So this order list will be created using mark A B C in small letters. Now we want to give here Java. Save. Let's check output. We can see the order is given automatically by browser. This is interpretation by browser. Now let's change the mark options or type options. We are changing by capital, then list will be given capital ordering. We can see what is the effect. If we want to start the list by someone other number, for example I want to start this list from third order, then I have to pass start attribute using value. So I have passed start is equal to 3. So this list will now start with 3. We can see the list starting is from 3 and further 4. We have seen two types of list. One is the order list and another is the unordered list. Now is the definition list. For creating definition list, DL tag is used. When definition list is used, when we want to create list like some list of definition, then we can use this data definition list. So let's create data definition list. For creating data definition list, DL means data definition list is used. Now we are ending the definition list. Now first we have to give data type. What is to be defined? We have to put in DT tag. So DT tag is the data type. Now we are putting here Java. Now what is the definition of Java? So for that DD tag is used. Same way we are putting another definition also. Now let's check the output for data definition. We can see the definition automatically is adjusted by some space So this is the use of definition list. We have seen order list, unordered list and data definition list. Now onwards we can utilize this concept in our other programs. Thank you.